Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are the second Tuesday of December 2025. That means that today, December the 9th, 2025, it's Patch Tuesday, or Security Update Tuesday, as Microsoft likes to call it. So, what does it do? Well, it fixes 57 vulnerabilities. 3 are 0 days. 2 of the 3 0 days are already exploited in the wild, which means it's important, very important, to update your system today. So on Windows 11, 24H2, 25H2, if you go and check out your updates, they will be arriving as the security update for 12/2025, KB 507/2033. And it pushes your build number on 24H2 at 26100.7462. And on 25H2, it's 26200.7462. So today is the Patch Tuesday updates. Like I said, 57 vulnerabilities. 3 0 days are in part of it is in Copilot. One is about a mini driver for cloud files. And there's also a third one that is out there. What is important, like I said, the out of the 3 0 days, which means that they are disclosed, 2 of them are exploited. One is still not exploited, but people know about it, so that means it could be something to look at. So that's something to look at. Make sure that you update your system. One little thing that I might want to say here is that if you find it a little weird that it stays at 100% for a few minutes, that's what happened here. It kind of said, okay, now I'm at 100% installed, but it stayed there at 100% on the black screen with the little turning dots. But it eventually went through. So if it's a little longer than usual at that stage, just let it do what it has to do. Always remember that you just leave it alone, and eventually will be done. On this system here, which is a computer that is, not the latest high-end trend, but a pretty recent PC with SSD drive. The whole process from download to install to restart back to normal took maybe 15 minutes total, 15 to 20 minutes, and it was over. So that's how fast it was on this machine. It is about the same on my gaming laptop, 15, 20 minutes also. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.